Hi class, let's take a look at example 3. Now it looks messy, but it's actually kind of like a review problem because what you really have here is, well, the second function is just your y is equal to 0. So in this case, our total area, let me start it here, is simply going to be the integral from 0 to pi. And then the above function, well, in this case, it's this function. We're going to have, this is 1 minus cosine of x times the values of sine of x, and then technically with respect to x. Now, this particular one, we're just going to do a u substitution. So let u equal to, so u equal to a 1 minus the cosine of x, and then technically du is equal to, well, this one's just going to simplify to sine of x because of the two negatives, dx, or du over, this is du over sine of x is equal to the values of dx. We'll substitute the limits in a minute. Let me just rewrite the integral so to ensure that, well, it is going to work as a u substitution. So it's going to be the integral, and then we'll replace these values in a minute. So let me rewrite it as, well, 1 minus cosine of x is equal to technically u, and then you still have the sine of x, and du could be, actually the dx, we could use the du over the sine of x. And excellent news, in this case your signs cancel, the u substitution is going to work. We need to go back and replace the limits of integration, which I'll do in a minute. So you end up with u du, and for the limits of integration, let me do this in green. So when x is equal to 0, u is equal to 1 minus cosine of 0. So technically u is equal to 1 minus 1, or 0. That's going to be our technically our lower limit. And then for x is equal to pi, so in this case u is equal to 1 minus cosine of pi, or 1 minus negative 1, which is going to give us 2. So the new limits of integration are going to be from 0 to 2. So we're looking at from 0 to 2, which in this case is just going to be u squared divided by 2, with the limits of integration of 0 to 2. So this is equivalent to 2 squared divided by 2 minus 0, or simply the values of 2. And let me just rewrite it as units squared. So that would be our final answer. It's just 2 units squared.